Alright, we're going to get back at it. I'm going to grind all this down, grind everything flat, cut off the ends, and then we'll fire up the forge and we'll get back at it. Well, here it is. There's one spot here. I mean, you can see some lines in there, but it's looking like one solid billet. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to dunk it in acid real quick while it's hot, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, let's give her a dunk. See what happens. Take it out. I'm going to dunk it in a baking soda and water solution. Get that covered so no water and baking soda dumps in there. Alright. There it is, neutralized. And there's some pattern right there. Oh yeah. This is going to look good. Well, let's get forging. Drazen, I didn't make a video of making it, but I did make your hammer. I got it on a handle. I just got to make the wedges, and then I'll get it shipped out to you. I got a couple other things that I got to ship out to people. I got to make a run to the post office sometime this week. So, there it is. I've got this axe drift that I'd made a while ago. I think it's just mild steel, honestly. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it is it's really close to being the right size for this axe handle. So I think I'll straighten this out, grind it back a little bit, get rid of I don't want such a sharp point here. So a little bit of work to this, and I think it'll work perfect for the drift. I got a test piece in the fire. I'm gonna quench it. The water's probably a little colder than it should be, but I'm doing it anyway. All right, now let's snap it, see what happens. Well, if I can get it to focus here. The grain is huge. Inch and a half wide by, let's say, yeah, 9.5 inches. Should be plenty of material for what I need. All right, let's get a weight on it. Well, 40 ounces on the dot. So, it's 1632. So 48 ounces is 3 pounds. So it is exactly 2.5 pounds. So, all right. All right, so this is what I'm going to be going for. Here's I like a childlike drawing of the axe. Here's the handle, the bit, the cheeks. So anyways, this is the measurements. I got to do 1.125" center punches here, and then on the other side, from the 1.125" marks, I got to go 1.5 inches over on both sides. So I'm gonna get it all center punched, and we'll see you guys here in a second. All right, so we got it center punched. This is where our set downs are gonna be. This is gonna be the pole in the back. So I'm debating on if I should weld on a thin piece of high carbon steel on the back. In the article, he doesn't do that, so it's still up in the air what I'm going to do. I'm not sure yet. Alright, this is where we're going to leave off for tonight. I mean, it's looking pretty good. I should have really brushed it good, but I have one area that I was trying to fight back together. Kind of comes across right here, but I might have got it sealed up. But I got to work on these a little bit better, get them squared up with each other, draw out both sides a little bit more, and then yeah, I guess we'll get back at it tomorrow. I mean, tomorrow's opening day of rifle season, so we'll see if I actually fire up the forge tomorrow. You don't want to scare away the deer. Alright, see you guys later.